Scott Flanagan's Starry Sampler features a complete galaxy of patchwork star quilt blocks and sparkles with different techniques. In this lesson, we'll focus on one of the most essential techniques for star points: 3-color hourglass units. Scott Flanagan's original design features citrusy tropical batiks, but let's see what happens when I substitute a darker background and switch a few colors. The technique is the same. Start with 4 squares, 2 matching for the star points, 1 for the contrast, 1 for the background. Mark diagonal lines on the star point fabrics, then pair 1 with the contrast and 1 with the background. Stitch a 1/4 inch seam away from the marked line on either side. Cut and press toward the star points. Mark 1 set of triangle squares with diagonal lines, crossing the seams. Place a marked triangle square on an unmarked triangle square, right sides together, and contrasting colors facing one another, nesting the seams. Stitch a 1/4 inch seam away from the marked line on either side. Cut apart on the marked line. Undo the stitching at the center and fan the seams to reduce bulk. And these units live in this block. The star points glow against the dark background. The contrast color acts as a transition between the bright star points and the darker center square. Check out the May-June 2023 issue of McCall's Quilting for part 1 of the pattern for Scott Flanagan's Starry Sampler.